You know, it's funny. Every time I think we've hit the peak of drone tech, DJI comes along and says, "Hold my propellers." First, they gave us the Air 3 with its dual camera wizardry and silky smooth tracking. And just when we were getting cozy with it, the internet lights up with whispers of its successor, the DJI Air4. So today, we're diving into what those leaks and rumors are telling us. From 6K video to upgraded sensors, smarter AI features, and even a redesign that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. We'll unpack the specs, the potential release timeline, and whether this drone might just be worth holding out for. Stick around because there's a lot to uncover, and spoiler alert, it's looking pretty exciting. First up, let's talk design. If the leaks are accurate, and they're coming from some pretty reliable sources, the DJI Air4 is shaping up to be a sleeker, more rugged beast. Leaked images of what's reportedly a prototype show a body with sharper, more angular lines. It's like the Air 3 hit the gym and bulked up. The arms appear reinforced, which could mean greater durability, especially in challenging conditions. And there's something new on top. A set of sensors. These top-mounted sensors are rumored to serve both upward and rearward obstacle detection. This might explain why there aren't dedicated rear sensors visible in the prototype. If DJI can pull this off, it'll mean fewer components but no compromise on omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Smart, right? Now, let's get to the tech that makes or breaks a drone, its brain. The Air 4 is rumored to feature an upgraded AI system that's not just smarter, it's practically psychic. Imagine this, you're tracking a fast-moving biker through a dense forest. The Air 4 could use predictive path tracking to not only follow the subject smoothly, but also anticipate sudden turns or stops. That's next-level stuff for action shots. And cinematic presets? The leaks hint at modes that adjust not just the camera, but also flight patterns based on your environment. It's like having a virtual directory in your backpack. Speaking of cameras, let's geek out for a second. The Air 3 already impressed us with its dual camera setup, but the Air 4, it's rumored to level up big time. Leaks point to a 1-inch sensor for the wide-angle camera, up from the Air 3's 1/1.3-inch sensor. Why does this matter? A larger sensor means better dynamic range, crisper details, and superior low-light performance. Oh, and there's more. A mechanical shutter might make its debut, eliminating rolling shutter issues during fast pans. And let's not forget the big one, 6K video recording. Yes, you heard that right. If true, this would be a game changer for creators who want cinema-quality footage without lugging around a giant rig. Now, let's talk flight time. The Air 3 gave us up to 46 minutes, which felt like an eternity in drone years. But the Air 4? Rumors suggest it'll push that to 50 minutes. Longer flight time means more shots, fewer interruptions, and let's face it, less stress. And if DJI pairs this with a more efficient power management system, we're looking at a drone that's as reliable as it is capable. All right, here's the million-dollar question. When can we actually expect the DJI Air 4? If DJI sticks to its usual release patterns, late 2025 seems like a safe bet. October or November, to be precise. As for the price, the Air 3 launched at $1,099. With these upgrades, we're probably looking at $1,199 to $1,299 for the base model, with Fly More combos edging closer to $1,599. So, what do you think? Is the Air 4 shaping up to be the mid-range drone of our dreams? Or is it just hype? For me, the potential for 6K video, smarter AI, and a sleeker design is hard to ignore. But like all things, it's best to take these rumors with a pinch of salt until DJI makes it official. That said, If even half of these leaks pan out, the Air4 could redefine what we expect from a mid-range drone. Until then, I'll be here, flying my Air3 and keeping an eye on the horizon. Stop what you're doing, because the digital skies have just parted, and what has descended? Not a flock of pigeons, thankfully, but the rumored, the whispered about, the practically mythical DJI Mini 5 Pro. After months of radio silence so complete, it made us think DJI had eloped to Mars. Bam! A wild, unedited, real-world sighting has just crash-landed right on the streets of China. And no, folks, this isn't some blurry, pixelated Bigfoot photo. This comes to us via the trusted drone whisperer himself, Jasper Ellens via Drone XL. This leak has more weight than your grandma's fruitcake. It looks legit. The big takeaway? DJI is actively playing with the Mini 5 Pro in the real world, and all signs point to a potential summer 2025 launch. Let's rewind the propellers a bit. The first whispers of the DJI Mini 5 Pro came in December with a prototype leak, but now it's official. Thanks to a street-side spy shot from China, credit to Jasper Ellens and Drone XL, the Mini 5 Pro is out in the wild, being tested. The standout change? Chunkier motors. Bigger motors suggest better power, speed, and payload, raising the big question. Can DJI still keep it under the crucial 250-gram limit, especially with a likely larger camera sensor? Speaking of sensors, let's talk about cameras. Rumor has it, the Mini 5 Pro is rocking a 1-inch sensor. If true, this is a massive leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. Why does this matter? Well, a bigger sensor means better low-light performance, sharper images, and richer dynamic range. For photographers and videographers, this could be a game changer. And here's the kicker, DJI is sticking with the vertical shooting feature. Love it or hate it, vertical video isn't going anywhere, especially for TikTok and Instagram creators. High-quality vertical footage without post-editing hassles? Yes, please. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty of flying. The leaks suggest an extended flight range of up to 25 kilometers and a jaw-dropping 50-minute battery life. That's a huge jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. For pros covering big landscapes or complex shots, this is a dream come true. And here's where things get really interesting. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to pack advanced AI-powered tracking. Imagine your drone following you flawlessly through a dense forest or weaving between obstacles during high-speed action shots. If DJI delivers on this, it could redefine solo filmmaking. Oh, and there's talk of LiDAR sensors for better obstacle avoidance. But hold up, where are they? The leaked images don't clearly show any LiDAR units. Maybe they're hidden? Or maybe it's just wishful thinking. Let us know if you spot something we've missed. Now here's a wild card, audio recording. Yep, you heard that right. The leaks suggest DJI might be dabbling in onboard audio. Imagine syncing real-time sound for commentary or capturing the ambient buzz of your location. It's a strange but intriguing addition for a drone. How will it work? That's anyone's guess. So when's the Mini 5 Pro dropping? Based on DJI's usual playbook, we're looking at a summer 2025 release. August or September, to be precise. And as for the price, let's just say it's not going to be cheap. But with these rumored features, it might just be worth every penny. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a serious upgrade. Bigger camera, smarter AI, longer battery life, and maybe even a few surprises we didn't see coming. But now, it's your turn. Are these leaks enough to get you hyped? Would you make the jump to the Mini 5 Pro when it finally lands? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates.